So today the plan is I will be doing PPF on the tail lights of Cybertruck. Uh, yeah, I mean it looks fine as of now, but if you are a little bit picky like me, and if you try to, put the lights, you can see all different kind of swirl marks on the plastic of the tail light. So over the time, this is going to become even worse. So my plan is to stop this damage here by adding a PPF on top of this. For this, we'll need to remove the trim piece on the top. I had some prying tool. You can use any prying tool to get below this. So basically, you will need to open your trunk and get behind this trim piece and start prying all the way this trim piece. I mean, I can do it without it as well. I mean, if I really want it, probably I can just put the PPF with a cutting line over here. That way I don't have to take out the trim piece. Just to give a clean look, maybe I'll see if I can take out the trim piece. If I cannot, then I'll just going to align the PPF along with this plastic trim piece and put it along over here. So let's try if we can pry out this piece. There are no clips on this side. The clips are on the top actually, but there is no way that you can get to those clips unless you put some kind of force. It's pretty easy. It's not that hard. Again, this is my first time. I've never taken this apart, but looks like it's pretty easy. I mean, there's no damage so far, as I can see. Oops. So as I was saying, these are the clips. If you see, there is no clip on the side. It's just the clips over here on the top, so they go inside those holes. Pretty easy, right? You saw that I got this done in like less than a minute. So now the plan would be that you will close this, and now we can put an edge over PPF easily. Same thing applies on this. Probably I'll do this. I don't want to play with this much because there's a recall, that, of these things flying all over. So yeah, this should be enough for me. And I have the same PPF which I put. If you saw my other video where I did the PPF in the front of the hood, I use the same PPF. I'm going to cut a piece of a PPF and install it on this. So yep, let's get started. So I just measure like how much is the light bar, kept couple of inches extra. The light bar is like 4.5 kind of inches. I took like roughly 5 inches. I'm going to take a free cut. Let's see. I'm assuming that's should be enough, using the edge of the table as a guide, just running the scissors along with it. Hopefully that should be fine. As I said, we'll do some precise cuts if I have to later on. If this piece is a little bit bigger, then all it's going to be much easier to adjust it later on. Yep, I knew. So that should be our light bar piece, right? So let's keep this aside. We'll come back to this. We need some tail lights cutting so that we can, I don't want this thing to get dusty. What it is, catching some static dust. Let's measure it once more. It's I know you can't see me. It's trust me, I'm not lying. It's 6 by 4.5, kind of 6 by 4.5. So this thing, let's do it 4.5, 5, maybe over here. 6 probably should be this much, a foot, right? Yep, almost there. That should be enough for. Let's see if we are good. Yep, we are.